Hello heroes, Joe Smith here again. Joe Smith now a shoe repair technician too. These are Joe Smith sandals. They're getting kind of wore out, but still got some life in them. Joe Smith likes to wear sandals in the summer because it's real hot here. And plus his feet are big and it's hard to get regular shoes that feel comfortable, especially when on feet or outside working all day. And you know what they say about guys with big feet. They wear big shoes. But this past fall, fall for that, the buckles on both broke. They were metal or looked metal, but must have been kind of thin or something, and just kind of broke one month, and about 3 or 4 weeks later, the other one broke. Well, Joe Smith found some buckles on Amazon. They shipped in from China. Just got them here today. There's like a 10-pack of these for $4 or something like that, or $5. So it wasn't too bad. And as you can see, already got the other side done. But all you gotta do, there's a little splice in it. Put it in the clamp. I'm gonna have to sit the camera down for a sec. Okay, here we go. And let's see if that was enough. Oh, gotta go a little bit more. Okay, you got the bottom kind of, or the one side pushed in from the vise, turns around. I use a screwdriver here to pry it off enough. Here we go, that's a big enough gap. So we got a gap in it now. And you just take it and hold on a sec, this takes 2 hands. Okay, sorry about that. But yeah, it's kind of hard to push that around, but got kind of pushed completely looped around to where we can squeeze it back together in the vise now, and then after you get done squeezing it back together, I'll flip it back around to where the split or junction, whatever you want to call it, is on the other side, inside this strap here. Just like we did over on this one here. And this is how it looks when you get done. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video here and finish this shoe up, but really easy. You see how it's done. You see how it's finished. So thanks for watching. Joe Smith, signing out.